Hello guys, today we are working on a Samsung oven. This unit we are replacing the igniter because it's not heating at all. Okay, so we're gonna start replacing the igniter by just removing the door. That way it cannot be in our way. This door is really easy to remove. And then we're gonna be removing this panel. It only has 2 screws on the back area. Once you remove those screws, slide out. Then we're gonna remove the heat shield, and it only has 2 screws. And then we are removing the pipe where the igniter is located. This unit only has 2 screws, one on the front and one on the rear section. And because we have in the original igniter, this unit we're just gonna unplug it, and this is the new igniter we're gonna install. Alright, so now we're gonna start removing the old igniter. This igniter is pretty easy to remove. It only has 2 screws, and like you guys can see right now, I'm doing it by hand. The reason why I recommend to do it by hand is because these screws, they've been in the heat for too long, and if you do it with the drill, it might strip the threads, and then it might not come on. I mean, it might not come loose from there, and that's gonna be a pain. So that's why I definitely recommend for you guys to do it by hand. That way they can easily come up. Also, another thing why not using the drill is because the igniter is super fragile. So if you do it with the drill, you can break the new igniter, and that's gonna be another problem. So it's getting time now to install it. So this unit it will be so easy to install because we just need to plug it back in where it's supposed to go. And once that finished, we're gonna start sliding pretty much the tubing inside where it's gonna connect with the gas valve. And just like that, pretty much this igniter is installed. We're gonna start putting things back together. And first we're gonna install the heat shield, and this is really easy to install. Pretty much you just gotta remember everything the way you guys got everything out. We're gonna start putting everything the same way now. Igniter pretty much is just a normal wear and tear that happens. A lot of time that happens is because you guys either cook a lot or it's just something that happens. But if you have any questions or any problems, you can definitely give us a call, and or you can keep watching these videos to help yourself, maybe try to do it yourself. Yeah, we're right here if you need our help. We're gonna start putting everything back now, and this oven, just like that, is ready to start cooking. Thank you now for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and if we are in your area, give us a call.